got some rot. This is the foam behind the fiberglass. There's no wood there. Oh, there's a screw. Where's the wood? Where's the wood? Oh, where's the wood? Oh, what's holding this shit together? Oh no.
Oh, we thought we were done with all of the rotten wood, and then the back wall. Ugh. It was actually sagging so bad that the back wall was sitting on the rear bumper. I don't know how we didn't notice that that was probably not a good sign earlier, but I guess at least we did eventually.
Oh my gosh. It's in so many pieces. Everything that goes back there is shoved up here. Oh my gosh. And in the bathroom. Hello friends. So I'm just going to do a quick update on the YotaHome. We need new tires. I don't know if you can see the weather cracking there. Bad juju. So yes, new tires. We're resealing the outside with Dicor corner seal kit. The tape here. Where it's at now, it's ready for. We just have to put goo inside these and then screw them back on, and she'll be sealed. Yay! We're gonna go all the way along the top and all the way along the back, and let's go inside real fast. I'm walking as fast as I can, I'm sorry. Oh, before we go inside, there's more corner seal. We haven't taken the trim off up here yet though. Inside, turn the light on so we can see. Oh dear. Oh dear. There we go. Inside, Jeff has been so busy. We've got new floor down. It's a collective we. He's got new floor down because he's been busting his hump in here. That's where the fridge is going to go. That little spot, that is where the oven and the stove top goes. That little hole is where the furnace goes. That's a storage cabinet over here. It's a new placement of the sink. We don't have two sinks anymore. This is way deeper. We got a little more counter space, but we lost a little bit of storage space under here. It's no longer a big cabinet, but that's okay. We've got that cabinet up there. We still have drawers over here we can get into. That's the battery box, water pump, water heater, and new plumbing because the old plumbing was ready to spring a major leak. Over here is the fresh water tank, and that is the propane box. Storage in there. That big box is the outside storage compartment, and then there's a little bit of inside storage there. Up there, more storage. And on the roof, or on the ceiling, it's going to be all cedar planks. We still need to replace this. We have the vent, but we still need to take this out, but it's all, there's so much to do. We have a fantastic fan here for the middle, and then up here, it's just the regular original hatch. I'm gonna grab a light. Oh, we're spinning. This is a cab over rebuild update. It's looking fantastic. Jeff did an amazing job, like beyond amazing. I am so proud of him. He's kicking ass and taking names. All the rotten wood is out. It's beauty miss. We still have another piece of wood to put there. He's gonna try and put like a piece of like L metal on the edge of the wood to keep it from sagging, where they all like to sag right there. And yeah, we'll see. Anyways, so yeah, that's, oh yeah, we're gonna put shelves in this closet, and then in the bathroom, that's storage right now, we're gonna hang up like a coat rod hanging whatever rod in here. Because when Jeff took the sink out of here, he put in plumbing so that we could still use the shower in here, but he also put in an outdoor shower, and that's back behind the back side of the little vanity here. And there's that plumbing, and there's the new plumbing that's going to go to eventually the inside shower. Toilet goes there, and yes, new floors. Yay! Still not sure if we're going to do peel and stick or if we're going to do laminate boards. You know, the peel and stick is a lot lighter, but the laminate floors look so much nicer. We're not sure yet. We'll see. But anyways, so yeah, that is the update on the old YotaHome. It's getting there. He's done such a great job, and I have done like seriously way too little to help him. But he's doing awesome, and I am so proud and so grateful for him. So yeah, yay. Woo!